I'm not supposed to talk about body hair because I'm cute, and that's gross. But it's not, and that's dumb. So listen up. Either you got it and you love it, groovy, or you got it and you want it gone. But hair removal is either too messy, too toxic, or just not cutting it. You deserve a sweeter way to get rid of unwanted fuzz. Meet Sugar Me Smooth. Natural, affordable, at-home hair removal that keeps you smooth for up to 8 weeks. That's 2 times longer than waxing and 20 times longer than shaving. Unlike hot wax, our sugars are room temp and spread easily with the flicker. All you do is apply, remove, repeat. And voila! Go from insecure to insugon. That's French for in sugar. So go to sugarmesmooth.com today, see what over 50,000 happy sugarers are raving about, and introduce your skin to soft, smooth confection perfection with Sugar Me Smooth.